Hello students, welcome back. This is lecture number 6. Actually, in previous class we have discussed the concept translating a program. In this concept we can discuss three types. First one is compiler, second one is interpreter, and third one is assembler. Now we can glance all those concepts for a few seconds. First one is compiler. Compiler is a program which is used to translate our high level programming as an input and translate it into a machine level language at a time as an output. In a compiler, the entire program can take and translate the program. All errors that appear in the source program are listed and displayed. Source program means the program which is written in a high level language. Once all the errors are corrected, then only our program will be executed. And also once we correct any error in our program, we can go for recompilation our program. It means we have to recompile our program. And the process of converting a high level program into a machine level using a compiler is called compilation. Converting a high level program into a machine level program using a compiler is called compilation. And an example for the compilation or a compiler are Turbo C, C++ and Java compiler. These are example for the compiler. This is about compiler. Next one is interpreter. This is a program which translates a one statement of a high level language program into a machine level language at a time and execute it. Here in an interpreter, at a time the translator and execution process can be happen simultaneously. The process of taking a one statement of high level language program into a machine level language at a time of translated and executed. Here both the translator and execution process happens simultaneously. And the process of converting a high level language program into a machine level language is called interpretation. Example for the interpretations are Basica, that is nothing but our basic language interpreter, and Java interpreter. And if any error occur in our program, it must be corrected, otherwise it does not take a next statement for the translation and execution. If any error occur in a particular line, there must be only our program will be stopped. That cannot be go for next statement. But in a compiler, all the errors are displayed in a translation process. But here only a line by line taken. If any error occur in a particular line, there must be only a execution process can be stopped until and unless that correction of the particular error. And every error corrected, then we have to recompile our program. This is about interpreter. And third one is assembler. This assembler you can learn in a assembly level language. This is a program which translates the assembly level language into a machine level language. And the process of converting a assembly level language into a machine level language is called assembling. And an example for the assembler are turbo assembler and macro assembler. This is overall idea about translating a programs. First we can discuss computer languages, then we discuss translating a program. After that, in today's class we can discuss for that translate program or a object program that can link and load to a system. That concept is system utilities. In today's class we can discuss. System utilities are the program that assist loading and linking the object program called system utilities. Object program means the program in a machine readable form is known as object program. System utilities means that program assists the loading and linking the object called system utilities. Example for system utilities are loaders and linkers. Here this concept is mainly depend upon whatever we translate a program in a machine language, that machine readable program, that what we call it as a object program, that can be linked and loaded to the system. And now we can discuss loader concept. A loader is a system program which loads the object program into a system memory for execution. Loader is a system program which loads the object program into a system memory for a execution. It means whatever we can translate it, the particular source code in a machine language, that we call it as object program, that is loaded into a system memory for execution, that we call it as a concept of loader. The operating system uses the loader to load the program from the secondary storage into a main memory for the execution. Whatever we have to store the program into a secondary storage, that can be stored in a secondary memory. The operating system uses the loader to load the program from secondary storage into a main memory. The execution process will start from the main memory only. Always any program, any programming language, any task are done by the main memory only. Loader is just load the program from secondary storage into a main memory. Secondary storage means hard disk. From that hard disk to main memory it loads. Second concept is linker. A linker is a program which links the specific or a specified subprogram or a functions referred in a main program for the execution of the program. Linker is program which links a specified subprogram or functions referred in a main memory. What is the source code that can be loaded? Then the next step is linking. Linking is done by the linker for a specified subprogram or a function, and it takes one or two object modules that are generated by the compiler and combines them into a single executable code. It takes modules that are generated by the compiler. What the compiler give the output as the machine readable code, that can be, the linker can combine those source code in a single executable code. This is the work of linker. And a linker program is also referred as a link editor. It means it referred as a editor. Editor means what are the program you write in a particular place, that we call it as a editor. And the output of a linker is available in a hard disk, but the processor, that we call it as CPU, needs the program to be in a main memory for the execution and loader this job. The output of the linker is available in a hard disk. The what are the linker can do the task, output of that task can be in a hard disk, but the processor need the program to be in a main memory. First we can take the program from the main memory itself, again we can give the output to the main memory only. That can be done with the loader. Loader can perform for loading and fetching the source code. This is the job of loader. What have to take the output from the hard disk, and processor need that program to be in a main memory. Processor to needs the program to main memory means processor can give us to desired output. From CPU only we can get the output to display in our desktop. This whole fetching and loading the source code take care of by loader. This is about loader and linker. This we call it as system utilities. Here some assignment questions are there. What is system utilities? What is object program? What is loader? What is linker? Explain the concept of loader and linker. Write all the assignment neatly and send it you by today evening. Thank you.